Hello and welcome to this refresher video, very short refresher video on significant figures. What I want to start with talking about quickly is what a significant figure is. So we have discussed in the past that a significant figure is a digit with value. And what does it mean if something has a value? Well, for it to have a value, it has to be bigger than 1. Okay, so 0 is not a significant figure. Secondly, we need to discuss when a 0 can be classified as significant. Now, I hope you remember that when we have a question like this, which 0 in this question, in this number, is significant? Think about it now for 3 seconds, and then I will explain the answer. Right, hopefully you've been thinking that this 0 here has no value and therefore it is not significant. It is at the beginning of our number and it is not significant. We don't count it when we are counting our significant figures. However, this 0 over here is holding a place value in between the digit 3 and the digit 4. Therefore, we do count it as a significant figure. So when a 0 comes before a number with value, so a number bigger than 0, then it is not significant. But when it is in between two digits of significance, it is a significant 0. The other question I want to ask you is, what is the first significant figure in this decimal? Have a think now. Hopefully you've said to yourself, it is the number 3. We don't count this 0 because it has no value. So our first significant figure is 3. Right, let's have a look at a question. Round to 3 significant figures. 0.06929494. If you want to have a go quickly, pause the video now. If not, I'm going to go through how to do it. Okay, so we just discussed that a 0 before a digit with value is not significant. So I have a 0 here, which is before any digit with value, and I have a 0 here, which is before any digit with value. Therefore, both of those zeros are not significant. My first significant number is the number 6. And the question asked me to round this to 3 significant figures. So from this first significant figure, I'm going to count 3. 1, 2, 3. That means the third significant figure in this number is the number 2. If I'm rounding, I know that I need to find my decider, and my decider is always on the right. 4 is a weak decider, so my 2 stays the same. I'm going to write 0.0692. Now, normally what we do is all the numbers to the right of my arrow turn to 0. So I would change 494 into 000. However, I hope you guys remembered that when we have zeros on the end of a decimal, they have no value and no purpose, so we don't need them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub those out. And my final answer is 0.0692. If you still feel stuck on this, please can you drop me an email now? If not, you need to jump onto Hegarty and complete today's task.